Did you know that there are 26 energy locks in the body? In other words, there are 26 areas of the body where attitude affects the body and creates tension, and an energetic lock happens within the body. And that stagnates the flow of energy through our body. And if you come on one of our courses, we'll teach you which way and direction the energy flows, what organs are linked to these energy flows, and what that actually means, and help you interpret the emotional connection to these attitudes. And when you learn how to put crystals on the correct lock, to relax that frequency, to relax that mindset, to change that thought pattern into a more productive one, then the energy starts to open, your life starts to feel easier, your body starts to move more freely, and you return to a more harmonious state of being. And then healing can occur.